Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Speak Know. I'm David, here with Anna, and welcome to Day 6.
Hello, everyone. 6 days in, that's a real streak. You are building a habit, and habits are how fluent speakers are made. So proud of you.
Today's topic is close to the heart. We're going to talk about our families, the people we love, the people we live with, the people who shaped us. By the end of today, you'll be able to talk about your family in English with warmth and confidence.
And this is such a beautiful skill. People all over the world love talking about family. It's friendly, safe, and it opens the door to real connection.
Have you ever wanted to share something about your mother, your brother, your grandchildren, but you didn't have the English words? Sound familiar? Don't worry. After today, you'll have them all. Let's begin. Let's talk about why family is such a powerful topic. First, family is universal. Every person on earth has a family in some form. So when you talk about family, you instantly connect with anyone, anywhere.
Exactly. And here's the beautiful part. Family is a safe topic. It's not political, it's not risky, it's not uncomfortable. It's warm. So it's perfect for small talk, first meetings, and getting to know people.
And here's the consequence if you can't talk about family. You miss so many chances to connect. Someone shows you a photo of their kids, and you want to respond, but you can't find the words. Or someone asks, "Do you have any brothers or sisters?" And you freeze.
But when you can talk about your family, people relax around you. They feel they're getting to know the real you. Family stories are the shortest path from stranger to friend.
So this small skill, it's actually one of the fastest ways to make friends in English. Powerful stuff. Let's look at the common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, forgetting the small word a. Many beginners say, "I have brother," but we say, "I have a brother." That little a is small, but it matters. I have a sister. I have a son.
Mistake number 2, mixing singular and plural. If you have one brother, say, "I have a brother." If you have two, say, "I have two brothers," with an S at the end. Singular for one, plural with S for more.
Mistake number 3, confusing my and me. Some beginners say, "Me mother is a teacher." The correct word is my. My mother is a teacher. My father. My sister. Always my.
Mistake number 4, using the wrong verb. Many beginners say, "I am a brother," but that would mean you are somebody's brother. To say you have one, say, "I have a brother." Have, not am.
Mistake number 5, only using very simple sentences and stopping. Just, "I have a brother," and that's it. Today, we'll show you how to add one more detail, his age, his job, his name, and turn a short sentence into a real conversation.
Don't worry about any of these. They're all normal, and they're all easy to fix. Let's learn the phrases step by step. Repeat out loud with us.
Step number 1, the family words. Learn these carefully. Mother, father, sister, brother, son, daughter, husband, wife, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin. Say them with me slowly.
Step number 2, I have for siblings and children. I have a brother. I have 2 sisters. I have 3 children. Simple pattern. I have plus the number plus the person.
Step number 3, this is my for introducing family. If you're showing a photo or introducing a person, say, "This is my mother. This is my husband. This is my daughter." Warm and clear.
Step number 4, add a job or age. Don't stop at one sentence. Add a small detail. My father is a teacher. My sister is 15 years old. My brother is a doctor. One extra detail turns a fact into a story.
Step number 5, describe your family size. I have a big family, or I have a small family. This is such a natural way to start a family conversation.
Step number 6. Ask about their family. Always turn it around. How about you? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Keep it moving.
Step number 7, a lovely bonus. Use an adjective. My mother is kind. My brother is funny. My grandmother is very sweet. One word paints a beautiful picture.
Now let's hear it in action. Anna, tell me about your family.
I have a small family. I have one brother and my mother. My brother is a doctor. He's very kind. How about you?
I have a big family, 2 brothers and 1 sister. My sister is a teacher and she's really funny, beautiful, simple, warm, and personal. In just a few sentences, we know each other much better.
Mini recap. Family words. I have for siblings and children. This is my for introducing. Add a job or age or adjective, big or small family, and always ask back. Now let's build the habit at home.
Exercise number 1, the family list. Say the family words out loud in order. Mother, father, sister, brother, son, daughter, husband, wife, grandmother, grandfather, 3 times through. Make them automatic.
Exercise number 2. Describe your real family in 3 sentences. Say it out loud. I have a small family. I have 1 brother. My brother is 20 years old. Use your real family.
Exercise number 3, the photo game. Look at photos on your phone. For each family member, say 1 sentence out loud. This is my mother. She is kind. This is my brother. He is a student. Real photos make it stick.
Exercise number 4. The age game. Say the age of 3 family members out loud. My mother is 60 years old. My brother is 30. My daughter is 8. This also reviews yesterday's numbers.
Exercise number 5, the ask back drill. Practice the question out loud 5 times. How about you? Do you have any brothers or sisters? So it comes out automatically.
Consistency over perfection. 5 short minutes a day, and family talk will feel completely natural.
Now let's talk about the feelings.
Challenge number 1. I don't know how to describe complicated family situations. So many families are complex. Step-parents, half-siblings, adopted siblings, complicated stories. And that's okay. Start with the basics. You can say, I live with my mother. I have 1 brother. You don't need to explain everything.
Challenge number 2. My family is a sensitive topic for me. That's completely valid, and you don't have to share more than you want. It's totally fine to say, I have a small family, and move on. Talk only about what feels comfortable.
Challenge number 3. I get the family words mixed up. Mother, aunt, cousin, they can blur together at first. The fix is repetition, 1 word at a time. Focus on the 5 people you talk about most. Master those first, then add more later.
So don't give up. Family talk will soon feel like one of your warmest, most natural skills.
A few useful words from today. Sibling, a general word for brother or sister. Parents, mother and father together. Relative, a person in your extended family, like an aunt or cousin. Adjective, a describing word like kind or funny. 4 great words. Try one today.
3 quick questions. Answer out loud.
Question 1. What small word do we need after I have? I have blank brother. Question 2. How do you say more than 1 brother? Question 3. What question do you ask to hear about someone else's family? Well done!
Let's recap. Today you learned the family words. I have a brother. This is my mother. My father is a teacher. Big or small family. Add a detail. And always ask back.
6 days in, and you can already talk about yourself, your feelings, numbers, and now your family. You are building the shape of a real conversation.
Our question for you today. Comment below. How many people are in your family? Tell us.
And if today helped you, Please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Speak Now.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is Dr. Speak Now.